Hello, welcome to Be Nice and Collect, and we have here Power from Chainsaw Man. You're probably not familiar with her. Anime will be airing soon, hopefully this 2021. Without further ado, let's start the unboxing. So we got everything out. So first the pamphlet. This time is a quite thick pamphlet. There are a lot of details that they included, especially on how to swap the parts. Next is the base. It's a normal Nendoroid base. And we have here her stand support. An extra neck connector. For this extra hand, this is to hold the zombie hand. An extra arm that has many uses for different poses and angles. A set of arms that are bended that is used for holding her weapon. I will show later on some poses samples. We have her cat Meowie, which Power has attachments to it. They got Meowie right wherein she has black ears and black spots on the top of its head. Let's move to her weapons. Power has the ability to manipulate her blood to form a weapon. This one is the blood hammer. This I believe is her blood spear. By the looks of it, it looks like made of ruby gem. This set also includes a hand holding a zombie hand. Let's call it a zombie hand as it looks like a hand of a zombie. Power comes with two extra face plates. We have the eating expression and we also have a smiling expression. For the main Nendoroid, GSC painting is top notch. I have nothing to add here. I really like the gradient colors of her horns and her hair as well. She comes with a standard expression as a default. As for her outfit, it is painted nicely. She wears the standard dress shirt, tie, and the slacks with her jacket on. Her horns can be removed, leaving a hole on her head. For her body, the hoodie jacket can be removed. I do have some issues to it as it keeps on falling and it's hard to put it back accurately. For body articulation, you can move her arms up and down. You can also rotate around her arms. Her hands can be rotated or can be replaced with other Nendoroid hands. Her waist can be rotated slightly. For her feet, similar with other Nendoroids, you can move up and down, sideways, and you can also rotate it. Her feet can be rotated as well. For display options, you can have her with Meowie, or you can also pose her like she is ready to go. You can also display her with her weapons. And my favorite pose is when she is eating this zombie hand. Isn't she cute while eating that zombie hand? For Nendoroid doll buddies, we have here cream, peach, almond milk, and I would say almond milk is a better color for her. For YMY buddies, we have super white, sakura pink, milky white, and natural white. I would say sakura pink or natural white is the best suited for her. For our custom Nendoroid doll, I just grabbed the jacket from Asolfo, added the polo with tie from Nendoroid doll Ryu, slacks is a custom made, and a YMY red-white shoes. I missed the black necktie, I don't own one. Wanted to look power as untidy as possible as what her character should be. So that's it guys, shout out to my toy unboxing family. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Nendoroid contents. Keep safe everyone, bye bye.